This video walks you through how to transfer funds between accounts in QuickBooks Online. Begin from your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look for the plus New button. Click it to open the menu of available transactions and actions. In that menu, go to the Other column and select Transfer. This opens the transfer form where you can record money moving from one account to another without creating income or an expense entry. On the transfer screen, start with the Transfer Funds From field. Open the drop-down and choose the account the money is coming out of. Take a moment here to confirm that you are picking the correct source account, especially if you have several bank or asset accounts with similar names. The account you select in this field is the one QuickBooks will reduce by the transfer amount. Next, move to the Transfer Funds To field, open that drop-down, and select the account where the money is going. This should be the destination account that will receive the funds. QuickBooks will increase that account by the amount you enter, so it is worth checking both account selections before moving on. After both accounts are in place, enter the transfer amount. Type the exact amount that was moved between the two accounts. This amount should match the transfer that took place so your records stay aligned with your banking activity and account balances. Once the amount is entered, select the date of the transfer. Use the date that reflects when the transfer actually happened. This helps keep the transaction in the correct reporting period and makes it easier to match the transfer later if you are reviewing account activity or reconciling your books. If you want to include extra detail, use the optional memo field. You can enter a short note to describe the reason for the transfer or anything else that will be useful when you look back at it later. If supporting documents are needed, you can also attach them here. That can be useful if you want the record to include related paperwork or confirmation tied to the transfer. When everything looks correct, save the transaction. Click Save and New if you want to record this transfer, and immediately open a blank transfer form for another one. If you are finished, use the drop-down to choose Save and Close instead. That records the transfer and exits the form. Before you leave the page, it is a good idea to make one final check of the From account, the To account, the amount, and the date. Once saved, the transfer becomes part of your QuickBooks records as entered, so accuracy at this stage matters. Your transfer between accounts is now recorded in QuickBooks Online.